Installing a new fiberglass door system is a great way to eliminate the high cost of replacing and maintaining hollow metal doors. This video will show the basics of installing a Chase Lite fiberglass door system. Please read and understand the installation instructions. This video is not intended to replace that manual, which includes important safety information. Always practice safe lifting techniques throughout the entire installation. Installation will require the following tools: cordless drill, pry bars, jigsaw, a level, utility knife, tape measure, Phillips head screwdriver, hammer, caulking gun, composite shims, C-clamps, punch, and a carpenter square. Lifting equipment or a helper might be required depending upon the size and type of door. Measure the existing opening width and height. It should be 1/4 inch larger in width and 1/8 inch larger in height compared to the overall frame width and height dimensions. Carefully unpack the crate and lay the parts out on the packaging materials provided. The hardware box includes the installation instructions. Start with the frame assembly, laying the header and jambs out on a level surface. Again, using the packaging materials provided. Slide the header onto the jamb legs until the holes in each jamb leg align with the holes in the header's connection angle. Using the fasteners provided, number 12 by 1 1/4 inch stainless steel wood screws, permanently attach the jambs to the header. Be sure that the face of the header and jamb legs are level and are on the same plane. Confirm swing and then position the assembled frame in the existing opening. Make sure the frame is level, square, and plumb. If necessary, use composite shims between the jamb and wall. Your wall type will determine the anchors required to attach the frame to the wall. In this application, we are attaching to a metal opening which requires stainless steel machine bolts, nuts, and washers. If you are installing a threshold, make sure the floor is prepared for a level threshold installation. Cut the threshold to the proper dimension and use a jigsaw to notch the threshold to go around the stops on both sides. Use masonry grout or construction adhesive and Tapcon fasteners to permanently attach the threshold to the ground. Prior to hanging the door, attach all hinges to the door utilizing the number 12 by 3 inch stainless steel wood screws provided. Based on your level of experience, and if a second person is not available to assist you, you may choose to use a wood block and pry bar to lift the door to aid in the aligning of the door hinges with the mortised hinge pockets located on the hinge jamb. Install hinges to hinge jamb using the number 12 by 1 1/4 inch stainless steel wood screws provided, then check fit. In this application, we are installing a Hager cylindrical lever set. Using the owner's manual provided, mark holes where required with a punch and drill the holes through the door face. Insert the latch into the prepared area on the leading edge of the door. Mark holes, pre-drill, and permanently fasten the latch mechanism using the screws provided. Align the strike on the strike jamb into the factory prep mortise area. Pre-drill the holes and permanently attach the strike to the frame using the screws provided. In this video, we are showing a standard ASA strike. Following the instructions provided, make adjustments to the lever assembly to accommodate the thickness of the door and permanently install. Check the lock set to make sure it functions properly. To install closers, follow manufacturer's template. All door closers must be through bolted. Use the template, hammer, and punch to locate the holes. Drill small pilot holes through the door, being careful to keep the drill level. Then, drill both sides of the door using the recommended diameter drill bit centered on the smaller pilot holes. Pre-drill, then install the parallel arm bracket on the header using the fasteners provided. Put a bead of silicone around each through bolt to ensure a good seal. Make sure you do not over-torque the through bolts or you may cause the door face to dimple. Attach the arm to the arm bracket. Test closer operation and make proper adjustments for springs power speed sweep, latch speed, and back check. Install the cover plate. Using a clean, dry cloth, wipe the area where the bulb seal will be applied with an alcohol swab and allow to dry. Follow manufacturer's installation instructions, paying particular attention to bulb direction and placement on the hinge side, strike side, and header. Caulk around the perimeter of the door frame on both sides, checking that all voids have been sealed. Check that the door opens and closes properly. Remove any protective coatings on the door. Use a clean, soft cloth to wipe away any grease or debris left from the installation. I hope this video was helpful. For more information on Chase products, visit our website at www.chasedoors.com.